just going to a lookout point first before we get in. Wow. Woo. This is actually amazing, oh my god.
Yeah.
Woo. Here we go. You've got to jump in, mate, honestly.
Like a warm bath.
You're not moving.
Hey guys. Hi. I'm telling you, you get the best workout.
Yeah.
Just like
As far as you can.
Yeah.
You won't be able to get very far.
No, that's it. Go all the way. I would not.
Just see how far you can get and then turn around. You're swimming and there just comes a point where you just like hit a wall and you just can't go any further because of the pressure of the water. I love the hanging like fun. All of that. I'm gonna try and swim underwater, see how close I can get. Oh god. Oh god. And then like the water pressure, like it just like pushes you back and you can't get any like balance on the rocks. Oh god, that's so slippy. Oh my god, that's so slippy. You come in. Woo. Gotta be really careful. Really careful. These rocks are extremely slippy. Right, I'm gonna try and make my way over there and have a look at the waterfall from that angle. Alright, we're back. Okay, so you're not allowed to go that way, unfortunately. Oh, there is a lookout point over there though. So we'll go over there at some point and see how we can make our way over there, but we're not allowed to go this way. Getting there.
Oh yeah.
You can get on that, of course you can.
It's so slippy.
It's very slippy. So what are your thoughts? Do you think it's worth paying $20?
Yeah.
Yeah, whilst you're here, you've got to, haven't you? This is really, really, really good. Look at that. Not bad, right? I think in a minute we might work our way down the waterfall over there. You can see a couple of people, so it looks a bit more chilled down there. So it looks like a pool, so it might be like quite a nice place to hang out, you know? Just looking around, like everything is like so green and so lush, isn't it? Yeah. This is amazing. There's like moss everywhere, and then you've got like the hanging vines. It's really tropical. It's amazing. Oh, nice.
Look at this.
Oh. Nice. Okay. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. That's cool, right? Yeah. It's okay, if you just come in, it's okay, I promise you. Look at them all. There's just like hundreds of fish. They're quite big as well.
3 more times. Yeah. It's really awesome.
3, 2, 1, go! There we go.
Little good fish. It's a bit
Woo! It's not warm. it's not thermal hot springs here.
The water's great.
Yeah. Alright, try over there. Have a look.
Warm up.
That is just a wall of jungle, look. Woo! I walk it. My shoes are too heavy for me to swim, so I'm gonna walk it. This is so cool. Powerful? You gonna try and swim in it?
I was gonna swim into it, but it's
Try it, I'll film you, Tasha's gonna swim against the current. Attempt to. Swim! Yeah, current's too strong.
Right here. Got my seat.
Oh God! That's so strong! I'm like holding on to the rock. Woo! And let go. Oh. Can you touch the floor here?
no.
Woo! It just pushes you all the way back, doesn't it?
Yeah. You wanna go into the deep dark hole?
Oh, the cave over there.
Well, maybe.
Probably not.
No. But it's very strong.
It's very strong.
Even my hair is really pushing.
Yeah. Go on, Tash. Swim, swim, swim! I got a lot of water in my mouth. Let it massage you.
Got it. Now it's hard to get back in now, it's so cold.
Yeah. Go on, let it massage you. We gotta go back a bit more.
This is like a jacuzzi.
It's getting pretty chilly now, so it's time to towel dry, get some clothes on.
Go get a coffee.
Go get a coffee. Wow. Just like